all of that kind of stuff that's there, what internal governance or risk controls should a board implement before approving a crypto treasury allocation?
Even before the board is ready to approve this, is the company ready? And what I mean by the company being ready is whether most likely you're going to use a custodian, but especially if you're going to use a cold wallet, what controls you have in place over maintaining the private keys, because once you lose the keys, you literally lose the keys to the kingdom. So I think from a company infrastructure standpoint, you got to make sure that you're ready to take on. This is in many ways, right, a significant shift in how you look at things. The most important thing is if you look at MicroStrategy, they said back in 2020 or 2021, they went up to the board to come up with this Bitcoin treasury policy. I think people charged with governance, there's a lot of public companies here. The audit committee, the board absolutely needs to approve something like this, because while the returns might be unlimited, the risks and the pitfalls could be even more painful. So you have to make sure you have the right risk management policies in place. Understand why is that, to your point, right? Why should I be investing in this, right? Ask those questions and make sure you have a clear vision. How long do you want to hold it for? How do you plan to finance it? Is it excess cash like Tesla?